Namaskar. I, on behalf of Spasht Drishtikon, welcomes you. In this video, we shall going to discuss hardness. Water is said to be hard if it consumes excessive soap to produce ladder. Hard water produce scale in hot water pipe or in boiler facilities. Hardness in water mainly caused by multivalent metallic cations. Cation causing hardness in water may be calcium, magnesium, manganese, ferrous, aluminium, ferric, etc. These cations associate with anions such as bicarbonate, carbonate, sulfate, nitrate, chloride, etc. These cations associate with anions and form precipitate. These precipitate may cause incrustation in the pipe. Hardness of a given water sample can be estimated by titration method in a lab, where we titrate the given water sample using standard solution of ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid and eriochrome black tea as an indicator. Hardness is normally expressed in terms of calcium carbonate. Classification of water on the basis of degree of hardness. Water having hardness up to 75 mg per liter as calcium carbonate may be called soft water. If it contains hardness from 75 to 150 mg per liter, then water is said to be moderately hard water. Hard water may have hardness from 150 to 300. If hardness exceeds beyond 300, then it is called very hard water. As per Indian standard, drinking water should have hardness in the range of 75 to 115 mg per liter as calcium carbonate. Hardness of water can be classified as carbonate hardness and non-carbonate hardness. Carbonate hardness is also called temporary hardness. It is mainly caused by association of metallic cations with bicarbonate and carbonate anions. It is total hardness or alkalinity, whichever is less. If alkalinity is less than total hardness, then carbonate hardness is equal to alkalinity of given water sample. If alkalinity is more than or equal to total hardness, then carbonate hardness can be equal to total hardness of given water sample. Now, non-carbonate hardness. Non-carbonate hardness, also called permanent hardness. It is mainly caused by association of metallic cations with sulfate, chloride, nitrate, anions, etc. It is total hardness in excess of alkalinity of the given water sample. Non-carbonate hardness is equal to total hardness minus carbonate hardness. If alkalinity of the water is more than total hardness of the given water sample, then non-carbonate hardness in the water is 0. If alkalinity is less than the total hardness of the given water sample, then non-carbonate hardness can be total hardness minus carbonate hardness. Carbonate hardness can be removed by simple boiling, addition of lime, etc. Whereas non-carbonate hardness can be removed by lime soda method, zeolite method. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.